Hello, this is Jammal and Baba. I want to talk about the relationship between the hunter and a leopard. So Yoruba talking drum beats that a lot. They use it sometimes in the middle of the rhythm or when they want to transition, or if they want to, they also use it to fill gaps. So it goes like Ode Ndekun, Ẹkun Ode, meaning the hunter is hunting the leopard while the leopard is hunting the hunter. Or you could interpret it as the hunter is stalking the leopard or the leopard is stalking the hunter. Either way, they both playing dangerous game. Ọdẹ ń dẹkùn, ẹkùn ń dọdẹ. Ọdẹ ń dẹkùn. Ọdẹ ń dẹkùn, ẹkùn ń dọdẹ. They both playing dangerous game. Ọdẹ ń dẹkùn, ẹkùn ń dọdẹ. The outcome probably not gonna be good. Most likely one of them is gonna lose. Unless if they choose to walk away. Ọdẹ ń dẹkùn, ẹkùn ń dọdẹ. Ogidan olólàjú. Ogidan is another name for Ẹkun, leopard. Ogidan olólàjú. Ọdẹ ń dẹkùn, ẹkùn ń dọdẹ. So whenever you see a scenario where two people are playing dangerous games, you could use that phrase. Ọdẹ ń dẹkùn, ẹkùn ń dọdẹ. It's not going to be good for at least one of them. And most likely, it's probably not going to be good for both of them. But sometimes one of them survive. But ọdẹ ń dẹkùn, ẹkùn ń dọdẹ. You guys stay culturally fit. Don't forget your do re mi. It goes like this. Me, I indented real deep. It's open. Me, I just put my hands on it. Sorry. Ray, I just put my hands on it. Then me, I indent. It's open. Ray, I'm just going to put my hands on it. And then I indent it to give me the me. So you guys stay blessed, stay culturally fit.